Hello everyone! Alright, so this week we watched a speaker go in front of an audience and basically train an audience within a matter of minutes to sing a particular note depending on where he stepped on the stage. No matter how fast he went, no matter where he stepped, no matter what key he hit. So, quite fascinating. I honestly don't think I can do it, but he seems to think it's quite a successful thing amongst any audience he goes in front of. So, in being asked by Dr. Griego, to put this particular situation into an experimental design, I picked the quasi-experimental design. And the particular quasi-experimental design that I selected was a static group design. Now this is very familiar to most people because it's the one design where there is an actual experimental group and an actual control group. So with this audience being so easily able to keep up with this speaker with no matter where he was stepping, I was thinking it would be interesting to take two audiences, yet have one audience be our control group or our O2 group, and the other audience being our experimental group. So that would be our O1 group, and they would be exposed to the X. So the X that we would expose them to would be an alcoholic beverage, or two, or three. I just figured that it would be interesting to maybe have an open bar before the speaker came on, or give people drink tickets. Of course, everybody would be over 21. All of that, all the legalities would be there. But just to see if the audience could actually keep up being slightly inebriated or just not of themselves. I would love to see how that audience compares to the other audience. So our independent variable, of course, would be the speaker, and the dependent variable will be the audience, and particularly the audience exposed to the alcoholic beverage. Now, I think that they wouldn't be able to keep up as well, but it would be interesting to see. So a way to measure the experiment, of course, would be by observation. And secondly, if we could just have each audience member fill out a very quick questionnaire survey, just one or two questions. How difficult was this exercise for them? Was it easy to keep up? Did they feel they naturally could keep up? Because it seems like they could in the video with just the regular audience. So that's the experiment that I would do. My hypotheses would be the crowd that was exposed to the experimental treatment, the alcohol, would not do as well as the control group. Curious to see what all, or read what all your thoughts are. Have a good night. Bye-bye.